Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly I'll do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course, if you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, and you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, these are the assets that we will be checking out, like I said. Okay, so we will be going straight to the charts right away to start with boom 1000. Okay, this is boom 1000. This boom 1000 had been on downtrend for long, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to go beyond that, and of course it started buying, and of course you can see it is still buying at the moment. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows, so this had been more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It is also on uptrend after getting to this support zone, and it has been buying since then, and this is still more of a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, that is when it will start selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started a buy trend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, you can see the blue arrow. It bought till it got to this region, sold for a while before buying again. It is buying at the moment, might be trying out this resistance zone. If it breaks out above this, then it will be getting to this particular resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it's going to sell. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback and went back there. If it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it's going to go back on downtrend, but before it gets there, it needs to break out from this resistance zone first. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of all the conditions attached to it. Okay, the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, but when it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to go above that, so it started a downtrend right from there. You can see the red flag, the red arrows, and of course it has given us more opportunity to come in. So this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course I'll make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.